The bubblegum balloon race. Once upon a time, in the colorful town of Chuville, everything was made of candy. The streets were licorice lanes, the trees were cotton candy, and the clouds looked like marshmallows. But the town's most famous attraction was the annual bubblegum balloon race, where participants had to chew bubblegum and blow the biggest, strongest balloon to fly through the sky and reach the finish line first. Every year, kids from all over Chuville joined the race with hopes of winning the Golden Gumball Trophy. This year's contestants were Lolly Popkins, a clever little girl with rainbow pigtails and a passion for inventions. Benny Burp, a chubby boy who could chew faster than anyone but had trouble with balance. Taffy the Turtle, a talking turtle who always took his time but had powerful lungs. Fizz the Cat, a mischievous cat with a jetpack and a habit of cheating. Choco Chunk, a shy but strong chocolate bear with the biggest cheeks in Chuville. The race began with Mayor Marshmallow sounding the trumpet with a loud toot. Chomp, chomp, puff, went the racers as they started chewing and blowing. Lolly Popkins was the first to lift off with her specially engineered peppermint boots and bubbly glitter. She zipped through the skies, using her goggles to scan for wind patterns. Benny Burp took off like a cannonball. His huge bubble balloon bounced against clouds as he laughed, wee. Taffy the Turtle slowly rose into the air with a calm pop of his bubble. He hummed, slow and steady blows the bubble. Fizz the Cat cheated, of course. He didn't even chew gum. He had secretly attached a motorized fan to his jetpack. He zoomed ahead, knocking marshmallow clouds into other racers. Choco Chunk was struggling. His bubble kept popping. Oh fudge, he mumbled. But as they reached the halfway point, a massive cotton candy tornado known as the Twister Twirl, everything changed. Lolly got caught in the pink whirlwind and spun around like a top. Her glider snapped. Eject mode, she shouted, and safely parachuted down using a licorice rope. Benny Burp got dizzy and accidentally swallowed his gum mid-spin. Burp. A gigantic burp shot him backward into a jellybean bush. Fizz the Cat cackled, thinking he had won. Too easy. But just then, the Twister Twirl sucked Fizz's jetpack right off his back. Meow. He screamed as he plummeted down into a bouncy nougat nest. Meanwhile, Taffy the Turtle calmly floated above the storm. His bubble was slow but stable. Patience, my chewy friend, he told his gum as it gently carried him through the sky. Choco Chunk watched everyone fall and panicked. I can't win. My bubble won't last. But then he remembered what Grandma Coco told him, don't fear the pop, believe in the chew. He took a deep breath. Chomp, chomp, puff, a magnificent chocolate-scented bubble the size of a hot air balloon lifted him into the air. I'm flying. I'm really flying. As the finish line made of candy canes came into view, only two races remained, Taffy the Turtle and Choco Chunk. Taffy smiled and said, well, my friend, may the best balloon win. They floated side by side, neck and neck. Suddenly, a sugar bird flew into Taffy's bubble, pop. Taffy spiraled down safely onto a marshmallow mattress. Choco Chunk crossed the finish line with a tiny boop and landed on the winner's stage. The crowd roared. Mayor Marshmallow handed him the Golden Gumball Trophy and said, today, you showed courage, patience, and the biggest bubble in Chuville history. Choco Chunk blushed, as much as a chocolate bear could. Thank you. I believed in my chew. And from that day on, he became a legend in Chuville.